To enter safe mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, firstly, we would need to open the power menu. For that, swipe down 2 times and then click on this power button. Here, we would need to click on the power off button, and as a next step, you would need to hold your finger on the power off button. Do not tap it, hold it until you will see that the icon has switched to the safe mode. And now to enter it, click on this icon and wait until your phone will turn on. After your phone had turned on, here at the left bottom corner, you can see this text which is saying safe mode. That means that we have successfully entered the safe mode. And now let's take a look. Safe mode is usually used for USB debugging or other developer options. And also, if you would like to use Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth in the safe mode, you would need to firstly go to the control center and disable the flight mode. Only after this, you would be able to use the Wi-Fi and other type of connections. And this is it. Now the last question is left: how to exit safe mode. For that, we would need to simply restart our phone, or you can also go to the notification center. Here you can see this notification safe mode is on. Click on this arrow and click on the notification to exit the safe mode. Here we would need to click turn off, and after this your phone will restart again, after which it will turn on in normal mode like before. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.